generator for a hospital can be installed outdoors, but there are requirements to consider. Concerning outdoor installation requirements, consider firstly weather protection. The generator must be protected from rain, snow, wind, and other weather conditions. This may involve a weather-resistant enclosure or a canopy. Secondly, consider ventilation. The generator must have adequate ventilation to prevent overheating and ensure proper operation. Thirdly, consider fuel storage. Diesel or natural gas generators require fuel storage facilities that must also be protected from the elements. Fourthly, consider noise mitigation. Outdoor generators can be noisy, so proper noise mitigation measures must be implemented to minimize disturbance to patients, staff, and the surrounding area. This may involve soundproofing enclosures or barriers. Alternatively, installing a generator in a separate room or building offers certain advantages. Firstly, consider controlled environment. The generator is protected from the elements and can operate in a more controlled temperature and humidity environment. Secondly, consider security. The generator is enclosed in a secure space, reducing the risk of vandalism or tampering. Thirdly, consider noise dampening. The room or building provides additional sound insulation, reducing noise levels. Ultimately, the best location for the hospital generator depends on specific site conditions and requirements. It is recommended to consult with experienced engineers and architects to determine the optimal solution for each individual hospital. In general, hospitals typically prefer to install their generators outdoors to save space and improve accessibility for maintenance. However, if space is a constraint or noise and security are major concerns, the separate room or building installation may be more suitable.